Morning. So a lot of you might know, but I have a resin jewellery thing called the Imaginary Castles, and today is our first day outside of our little castle room upstairs. We're going to Comic-Con down at Loch Lomond, so we thought we'd bring you along. We'll set up, we'll see how we go, and we'll see what other vendors are down there.
So this is just to show you our wee bags of which she's taken. So she's got a wee bag full of gear here, a wee bag full of stuff here, and then how cool is this? With all our wee stuff on it. We just arrived down and let us wee duck try to get in a shop to get something to eat. That's crazy. So here's just some of the stalls before they all get set up. And here's Natalie just setting up hers now. So guys, that's Natalie all set up. I'll just give you a wee overview of the table. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Look at all the stuff she's got. She's a wee bit nervous sitting back here. Are you ready, Natalie?
I'm ready.
Now we get the DeLorean for the Back to the Future down here. It's a pretty cool car, isn't it? Cool's that. Just get all the stormtroopers going past here. And we've got Vader in the background. How cool are they? We're just going to follow them. We just got all the Jedis walking through here as well. How cool are they? Oh, they're going to, the light side's going to meet the dark side. Just going to try this on.
Is that a gaming channel? I wasn't sure if it was a gaming channel.
What do you think it? That's cool, isn't it? Want to try it on? Sure?
The Comic-Con here.
Seriously, aye?
Yeah, but it's a heavy piece of kit when you've got all of it. It's all that weight, so it's a bit hard work.
How amazing is Chewbacca? It's cool, isn't it? I get Darth Vader out here as well. Here just to give you a wee overview of Comic-Con today, it's actually pretty busy. You get the food down here, like some t-shirts and stuff here. We have some comic books and stuff here. I really like this stall. Some cool stuff. Yeah. How cool is this? I don't even know what this you guys called, but he talks and all that. He's cool, isn't he? Listen to him. Here's Natalie just in the middle of the day with Georgie helping her out. And then the wee stall next to us, we got to talk to this guy, he's pretty cool. Got some cool Funko stuff and all that. And actually this Boba Fett helmet, I was wanting this, but it's a wee bit dear at £80. How cool's that? Spotted Predator coming down the stairs there. How cool's that?
Oh my god.
Just got all the cosplayers here lining up for the competition. They're pretty cool, aren't they? I'm not quite sure what Hickman's doing. So they've all came outside. Very chewy. We get this cool battle damaged stormtrooper here. And then we get this new blue guy. How cool is it? Old school Batman and Joker. He's got a bomb. He's brilliant, isn't he? Got some more cosplayers here. I'm not too sure who these two guys are.